Hello everyone, good evening. So welcome to my channel. So for today's video is mag-unbox tayo or magbigay tayo ng review about this massage gun na nabili ni Mr. sa Timo. So this one, it's so very cute and na siya damage. It's because Mr. doesn't know how to open and maybe he's very excited. So what's inside the box? Let's see. So since open naman, so let's unbox this one. Actually na-unbox na siya guys. And what's inside the box? It's the massage gun. This one. And yung mga bala niya guys, this one. Meron siyang 4 na bullet. Since gun ito, so assume na lang natin guys na this one is a bullet 2. Another is this one. Ang dami ng bullet guys. By the way, it's chargeable. So, you can charge this one. Pag natanggap nyo yung items, need mo siya i-charge ng 3 hours. But then, hindi pa naman siya low-bat. So, what is the brand of this one? It's unbranded. So, I mean, it's made in China. So, but it's functional. Meron siyang kasamang cord na USB type. This one. And, need mo lang siyang i-saksak dito. So, 4 yung bullet niya guys for functions. And then, another is, meron din siyang kasamang manual. This one. So, para siyang pang-reflect. You can use this one, the user manual guide. So, let's try if it's effective. So, how to operate? First thing first, yes, you need to select. But let's try. Ito na lang. Let's try this one. Then insert. You need to insert and then push. No, it's push. 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 And then long press to start. Meron siyang level guys kung gaano ka bilis or ka tawag doon. Parang meron siyang level na gaano siya kabilis na gusto mo, like i-press mo lang, not long press, press lang, smooth press. Meron siyang 1, 2, then mag-matter siya kung gaano siya ka strong. Ano siya, parang guys, parang drilling. See, diba? And then, how to use this one. So, let's try this in our, here. I like it. You can diin this one, kung saan mo gusto. It's a functional naman siya, guys. I like the feeling. You can use this here. It's reflects your nerves. I don't know what is the proper way of using this one, but it's functional. Nakita ko lang guys sa ibang video na this bullet is for here. So, let's try. I like the feeling. Let's see. And then, you can change the speed from level 1 to 6. Like, 4, 5 and 6. So, masyado na siyang mabilis guys, but I prefer 1 lang. 1 is very slow, kakakiliti, but it's functional guys. I like the feeling. I like it. It's nice. You can push it. Pwede mong diinan guys, it depends sa panyo. Better na i-feel mo lang. Okay, next. Stop to change the bullet. Another, this one. So let's try this. This one naman guys is for spine. Kunwari spine to. Hindi ko kasi siya mano kasi ako lang mag-isa, hindi ko siya ma-demo. Pero pwede din siya dito daw guys, oh. Yung this one, di ba? Meron siyang ankle dito. Ayan, tawag dito. Pwede mo siya dito, pero wag dito sa, bawal to kasi siya idiin sa bone. So dapat sa mga muscle lang siya guys. So let's start. One lang ako guys, yung parang ganyan. And wow, I like it. This one. Pwede mo siyang gamitin dyan, diba? Sa mga ganyan na part. Naman. Dapat, pag sa likod naman siya gamitin guys, dapat sa spine. Yung, diba may spinal cord ka dito. Spinal cord mo dito, sa gilid. Parang iganyan mo siya sa spinal cord. Huwag sa bones. Huwag mo siya, bawal siya i-direct sa bones. May mga do's and don'ts nito siya guys. So, dapat magbasa ka ng manual. This one. I'm back. Demo tayo guys. This one is for all parts of the body. Ito yung small flat head. This one is the ball head for large muscle groups. Kahit sana part na may mga muscles na masakit. Maganda siya sa face. Maganda siya sa back. Yung parang scapula or whatever. Sa calf, sa paa. Sa muscle sa leg part. And whatever. Kahit saan pwede. This one is for a vertebrae or sa spine banda. Yung kunwari spine mo to guys. Spine here. So dito mo siya sa kilid parang iganyan mo siya. This one is a small round is for joints. Any part of joints. This one. And then charger. And then the tawag nito. The massage can, of course. So, pag masakit yung mga joints mo, guys, ito, actually, na-try na namin siya, guys, and I love the feeling. So, it's a functional, and I like it. Let's try again. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please consider to subscribe to my channel. It's Chikay Kike Vlogs. Bye!